He wants a fancy light.
So
This is
he
what
went
happened.
to some
So, sa Tagalog, hindi po lahat ng maganda ay maganda. Good morning mga ka-handsome. Can you hold it for me, handsome, please? Okay. Now, we have another exciting discovery here. This might help our future customer. Before you come to the mechanic and pay for diagnosis, this is what you need to know.
and this
Okay.
is built on experience. Also.
And built on experience. Yeah.
Yeah,
What car is this?
that's Mitsubishi Lancer Rally Art.
Rally Art. And what was the complaint?
The complaint was whenever the customer goes to reverse,
Yes.
okay, the camera works and the reverse light works for almost 2 seconds and then it disconnects.
Yes.
So the car came for a diagnosis.
Yes.
After spending some time,
Yes.
based on whatever I know from
Yes.
these cars,
Okay.
the customer have actually installed aftermarket lights.
So he wants a fancy lights. He wants a fancy light.
So
This is
he
what
went
happened.
to some
Yes.
different LED lights.
Yes. So sa Tagalog, hindi po lahat ng maganda ay maganda. Not all beautiful are
There is a
pretty.
problem sometimes.
Yes. Sometimes the more beautiful you get, the more headache you will have.
After working on the car for a couple of hours, I actually asked the customer to get the original tail lights.
Yeah. Okay. So
And then
we
when
try to
I
fit it.
disconnected the aftermarket and
That's
connected
the
the
old-
original tail
That's
lights,
the old one.
they think they are ugly.
This is the new one. Fancy nga naman. Okay, now we reconnect this. Everything is.
And then
Yes.
go inside, put
Yes.
it on reverse, and reverse camera works.
Hold
and
your ugly
everything.
machine. Okay. Now you put it in
Reverse. And then
reverse.
camera works and doesn't
The
disconnect.
camera works perfectly. You can even see the ants at the back having jiggy. It doesn't turn off even if you keep there for how many minutes?
Whatever.
Okay, another thing. He said the lighter is not working. Is the lighter working now?
Yes. It
What
is.
happened?
Some shorted.
Some
fuse.
shorted. Okay, fuse is done. And this is another thing that I want the customer, our
And one
viewers.
thing also, the customer was complaining on ABS light.
ABS light.
When you have a Rally Art, so it's equipped with 4-wheel drive system.
Yes,
so
yes.
which is so the customer, I discovered that he was driving on gravel on actual tarmac. So the car thought it's loose,
Okay.
so it was trying to brake.
Okay.
So when we switched to original
So actually,
driving,
the Rally Art, mga kababayan, meron pong tatlong setting yan. Pag pinindot mo to, 1, it will become gravel. I'll press again. It will become snow. I'll press again tarmac, or what
is what we call
what
it,
we call
our
the-
roads.
normal road. This is tarmac, concrete, ordinary road.
So
So-
people, please learn about your cars if you love them.
Yes, so okay, this customer probably driving a Rally Art, but he doesn't know the features of what he have in the Rally Art. So if you're driving on a concrete or ordinary road, use tarmac. But if you go to gravel or snow. So if you put it on the wrong settings, let's say you put on gravel, then you drive on a
You can
a
actually
tarmac.
damage your transmission.
Okay, there will be a confusion with the computer. That's why the ABS light keeps coming on. So we will try to put it in the proper setting, road test it. If there is no more light, we will release to the customer and tell him, number 1, you need to return the lights into factory settings and observe how to drive it on a proper settings. So once again, this is a public service from Handsome Mechanic. I do hope that this video have shared something information for you, and if you like our content, drop a like, a thumbs up, and share this video for our other viewers. Once again, this is Andre Bones from the Handsome Mechanic. You should be here.